So the question number 1, which of the following is the correct sequence of the Himalayan ranges from north to south? Option number A, Karakoram, Ladakh, Jaskar, Midpanjal. Question number 2, the Doab region is a characteristic feature of which part of India? Option number C, Northern Plains. Question number 3, the highest peak of the peninsular plateau of India is? Option number C, Anamudi. Question number 4, which geological period is primarily associated with the formation of Deccan Trap? Option number B, Cretaceous. 5, the Loktak Lake is located in which physiographic division and is famous for what? Option number B, Northeastern Hills. It's Fumide's floating island. Question number 6, the main central thrust MCT separates which two major divisions of the Himalayas? Option number B, lesser Himalayas from Great Himalayas. 7, the Indian standard meridian 82 degree 30 east nautical passes through how many states? Option number B, 5. 8, which major physical features acts as the main water divide between the Indus and the Ganga river system? Option number B, Aravalli range. Question number 9, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are believed to be the elevated portion of which underwater mountain range? Option number B, Arakan Yoma. 10, arrange the following peaks from west to east. Option number A, 2, 1, 3, 4. 11, which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga or Ganga of the South? Option number C, Godavari. 12, the river Luni drains into which of the following? Option number B, Run of Kutch. 13, which pair of rivers flows through a Rift Valley in India? Option number A, Narmada and Tapti. 14, the famous Sundarbans delta is formed by the confluence of which two major river systems? Option number B, Ganga and Brahmaputra. 15, the river Tista joins the Brahmaputra in? Option number C, Bangladesh. 16, the Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan in which year? Option number B, 1960. 17, which of the following is an east flowing river that originates in the Western Ghats but drains into the Bay of Bengal? Option number C, Kaveri. 18, the point of confluence of the Alaknanda and Bhagirathi rivers forming the Ganga is known as? Option number C, Devprayag. 19, which tributary of the Ganga river originates in the peninsular plateau? Option number D, Son. 20, the largest brackish water lake in India is? Option number C, Chilka Lake. 21, the southwest monsoon accounts for what approximate percentage of the total annual rainfall in India? Option number B, 75%. 22, which part of India receives rainfall from the northeast monsoon, retreating monsoon? Which part of India? Option number B, coastal Tamil Nadu. 23, the term mango showers is associated with pre-monsoon rainfall in which region? Option number C, Kerala and Karnataka. 24, what is the primary reason for the break in the southwest monsoon? Option number B, shifting of the monsoon trough towards the foothills of the Himalayas. 25, which city in India experiences an equable climate throughout the year? Option number C, Chennai. 26, the western disturbance primarily bring winter rainfall to which region of India? Option number B, northwestern India, Punjab, Haryana. 27, which climatic factor is the most responsible for the great contrast in the annual rainfall of Cherrapunji and Shillong despite their close proximity? Number C. Orography, relief features. 28. The period of maximum insolation in India generally occurs. Option number B. Before the summer solstice. 29. Which ISO climate type best describe the climate of the Thar Desert region? Number D. BW small HW hot desert. 30. The direction of the wind during the winter season over the northern plains is primarily. Option number D. North west to southwest. 31. Black soil is most suitable for the cultivation of. Option number C. Cotton. 32. Which type of soil is formed due to intensive leaching in areas of high temperature and high rainfall? Option number C. Laterite soil. 33. In which vegetation type do trees shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in a year, mainly in the dry season? Option number B. Tropical deciduous forest. 34. The dominant tree species found in the tropical evergreen forests, it is. Option number C. Rosewood. 35. Magnaniferous clay is a key characteristic of which major soil type in India? Manganiferous clay is a key characteristic of which major soil type in India? Option number B. Black soil. 36. The term khadar in alluvial soil refers to. Option number B. Newer alluvium. 37. Which state has the largest area under the forest cover in India in terms of area? Option number B. Madhya Pradesh. 38. The alpine forests are found at an altitude ranges of. Option number C. 3,600 meters and above. 39. Which component of the soil is primarily responsible for its high fertility in the northern plains? Option number D. Silt. 40. The sal tree, Shorea robusta, is a characteristic species of. Option number A. Moist deciduous forest. 41. The largest producer of manganese is in India is. Option number B. Odisha. 42. Which region of India is famously known as the Ruhr of India due to its rich mineral and industrial resources? Option number B. Chotanagpur Plateau. 43. India's largest diamond mine is located in which state? Option number B. Madhya Pradesh. 44. The most important uranium mine in India is. Option number B. Jadugoda, Jharkhand. 45. India's first fully solar powered airport is. Option number C. Kochi International Airport, Kochi. 46. Which coal type has the highest carbon content and is found in small quantities in India, mainly in Jammu and Kashmir? Option number D. Anthracite. 47. The Gulf of Cambay is the most famous for production of. Option number B. Petroleum and natural gas. 48. The oldest oil producing region in India is. Option number C. Assam Valley. 49. Which state is the leading producer of mica in India? Option number A. Andhra Pradesh. 50. The thermal power stations account for what approximate percentage of India's total electricity generation? Number C. 70%. 51. Which one of the following is not a characteristic feature of intensive subsistence farming? Option number B. High use of machinery. 52. The practice of shifting cultivation is known as Podu in. Option number C. Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. 53. Which crop is a major rabi crop? Number C, wheat. 54. Which state is the largest producer of tea in India? Option number D, Assam. 55. The Sundarbans region is famous for the cultivation of. Option number B, jute. 56. The zero budget natural farming methodology was popularized by. Option number B, Subhas Palekar. 57. Which of the following is not a criterion for the classifying a crop as a horticulture crop? Option number D, pulses, is not. 58. The largest producer of sugarcane in India is. Option number C, Uttar Pradesh. 59. The soil requirement for the coffee cultivation is primarily. Option number C, well-drained loamy soil. 60. The practice of growing two or more crops simultaneously on the same field in a definite pattern is known as. Option number B, intercropping. 61. Which city is known as the Manchester of the South India for its prominent textile industry? Option number B, Coimbatore. 62. The first iron and steel plant in India that was privately owned was. Option number C, Tata Iron and Steel Company. And it was established in 1907. 63. The concentration of the jute industry along the Hooghly River in West Bengal is primarily due to. Option number C, availability for raw jute, water, and cheap labor. 61. Which city is the major center for the electronic industry, leading to its nickname Silicon Valley of India? Number D, Bengaluru. 65. The largest public sector undertaking, steel plant, in terms of capacity is generally considered to be. Option number C, Bokaro Steel Plant. 66. The Indian automobile industry is heavily concentrated in which cluster? Option number D, all of the above. 67. The sunrise industry generally refers to. Option number B, industries that are newly emerging and rapidly growing. 68. Which is the only region in India where the petrochemical industry is concentrated due to high crude oil production and port facilities? Option number B, Gujarat Industrial Region. 69. The concept of industrial corridors in India aims to. Option number B, concentrate development along transport routes to create manufacturing hubs. 70. Which of the following is primary location for the production of heavy emerging goods in India? Option number C, Ranchi. 71. As per the census 2011, the state with the highest population density in India is. Option number C, Bihar. 72. Which state has the lowest sex ratio in India as per the census 2011? Option number B, Haryana. 73. The process by which the proportion of people living in urban areas increase is known as. The process by which the proportion of people living in urban areas increases is known as. Option number C, urbanization. 74. As per the census 2011, which state has the highest literacy rate? Option number C, Kerala. 75. A town with a population of more than 1 lakh but less than 10 lakh is classified as. Option number A is the right answer, class 1 city. 76. The demographic dividend in India refers to. Option number B, a growing proportion of working age population 15 to 64 years. 77. The concept of million plus cities or metropolitan cities is defined by a population threshold of. Option number D is the, option number B is the correct answer, 10 lakh. 78. Which is the largest tribal group in India? Option number B, Bhil. 79. A census town is a town that satisfies which of the following criteria? Option number B, has a minimum population of 5,000, a density of 400 persons per square kilometer, and at least 75% male working population engaged in non-agricultural pursuits. 80. The highest decadal population growth rate in India during 2001 to 2011 was recorded in which state? Number C, Meghalaya is the correct answer. 81. The longest national waterway in India is National Waterway. Number A, National Waterway 1, Ganga Bhagirathi Hooghly River System. 82. The North-South Corridor and East-West Corridor intersect at which city? Option number C, Jhansi. 83. Which of the following is an artificial harbour on the east coast of India? Option number C, Chennai. 84. The Golden Quadrilateral project connects which four major metropolitan cities? Option number B, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. 85. The major exports item from the Mumbai port is? Option number B, cotton textiles and ready-made garments. 86. The highest dam in India built on the Bhagirathi river is? Option number D, Tehri Dam. 87. Which city is the headquarters of two zonal railways in India? Option number C, Mumbai. 88. The only active volcano in India is located at? Option number B, Barren Island. 89. The state having the highest coastline length in India is? Option number D, Gujarat. 90. The Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats meets at the? Option number C, Nilgiri Hills. Which is the smallest state in India in terms of geographical area? Option number C, Goa. 92. The famous Valley of Flowers National Park is located in which state? Option number C, Uttarakhand. 93. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Option number C, 8. 94. The highest mountain pass in India, providing a motorable route across the Himalayas, is generally considered to be? Option number C, Khardungla. 95. The run of Kutch is characterized by which of the following? Option number C, salt marsh and seasonal wetlands. 96. The largest union territory of India in terms of area is? Option number C, Ladakh. 97. Bhitarkanika National Park is in Odisha. Is internationally famous for? Option number B, saltwater crocodile. 98. The major tribal group inhabiting the Andaman and Nicobar Island is? Option number C, Great Andamanese. 99. Which state of India shares a border with the maximum number of other states? Option number B, Uttar Pradesh. 100. The eastern coast of India is generally divided into three major coastal plains. Which one of the following is not one of them? Number C, Konkan coast is not one of them. Thank you so much.